Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 4. This week, we'll be covering Module 4, which talks a little bit more about understanding regulations, policies and procedures, recruiting, hiring, and leading. So this week we'll be reading we'll be reviewing chapter 3 and 5. We read chapter 3 and 5 last week, but we're going to be covering more of the topics, diving a little bit deeper into them this week. So within this module, again, you are going to go over the regulations, which we really did quite deeply at our last meeting, and you all took different areas of the different titles and so forth, and that was really interesting. I also published all of your findings so all can review. So again, we'll be talking about the purpose of regulations, and we'll list some qualifications for administrators and teachers. Again, we covered that last week for accreditation, and we talked about QRS systems as well. We're going to be able to identify issues that should be addressed within an administrative manual, as well as talk a little bit more about the contribution made by the leaders. How does that make your center successful? Okay, and the SLOs, the student learning outcomes that we're going to be covering, 2 of them this week, which will be demonstrating effective practices for managing and leading staff, as well as implementing ongoing professional development based on evaluations of your staff and administration needs. So to be successful, you're going to watch this or listen to this video, I should say, and then you're going to review chapter 3 and 5. Always review the syllabus for important dates. I do go over them with you weekly. I send an email every Saturday. And then if we don't meet, I'll always make the video or some type of video for you to listen to. So again, we're going to review chapter 3 and 5. You can also look at the PowerPoints that I provide for you. Your discussion board this week is accreditation timeline and cost. We talked a little bit about NACCE last time we met, the high cost of the NACCE accreditation versus QRS through the state, which is a quality rating system through the state of California. Your original thread is due by Wednesday, the 10th of November, and your 2 peer posts are due by Friday, the 12th of November. Again, all 3 must be submitted on different days. And then we went over the PAS assignment. It's due the 19th. We went over that last time, and again, we'll kind of touch bases with it next time we meet as well. And if you have any questions, please do email me, and that's going to be worth 40 points. And then this week, I'm going to offer an extra credit survey that you can complete. It's worth 10 points of extra credit, and it is anonymous. And if you're missing any assignments, you'll not be eligible to receive these extra credit points, meaning if you're missing any of the assignments that have been submitted up to date, you won't be able to receive these points. I would like your feedback, though, so all feedback is anonymous, and it helps me moving forward with the course. But let's go back to the accreditation timeline and cost. Let's go into that discussion. Go back down to module 4. Here is the discussion. Okay, so you're going to refer to a timeline and cost of applying a NACCE accreditation that summarizes it on pages 52 and 53 of our textbook. And again, and you have the link to the book, right? And you also, here's the website for NACCE. So you're going to determine how much the center that you're working in within this term would need to spend to go through an accreditation process and to keep their accreditation current for 5 years. Then you're going to provide rationale as why pursuing a NACCE accreditation is or is not a good investment. What other accreditations could you pursue? So please answer all of those questions in your original thread due by the 10th, and then respond to 2 of your peers by the 12th. And that is it for this week. I'm looking forward to seeing you next Monday. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. If not, have a fabulous week, and I will see you soon.